Hi there, everybody. It's really difficult not to look at this the phone because I can see myself, so I don't actually know where I'm supposed to be looking. I think I'm supposed to look in the middle, but it's a bit weird. So anyway, sorry for the mess behind me. I'll try, even if I move both sides, it's a mess because I've got a craft event tomorrow, and have had classes this week. I've got classes next week. It's a bit hectic. Organised chaos is what I like to say. So I've come on to say hi, and I'd like to promote my YouTube channel, and obviously you're on there. I'd like you to share it because I'd love more subscribers. One of my friends who is a planner, she organised a planner meet last Saturday. I went to that, and then she promoted my YouTube channel, and I've got 12 more likes and subscribers, so I'm nearly at 20. I don't know what I'm saying. Nearly at 200 now, which is lovely. But obviously, I'd love more and more and more. Anyway, my retreat. This will be my third year. I've just done my second one in March. I love it. I love preparing all the projects. I love all the organising of it. Getting the people to book is a little bit stressful, but last year I had 18 people. Absolutely amazing. We had a great time. The maximum will be 20. So that's what I'm aiming for this time. I've still got a few places left, which is why I've come on here, and I'm trying to promote the retreat. Right. Yeah, you can see this. Okay. Right. So this is my craft retreat flyer. It's what I'll be promoting tomorrow at the Motorcycle Museum. I'll be there tomorrow from 10 till 3. Hopefully you will see this tomorrow. I'm going to get my husband to put this as the one that comes out tomorrow. Now, the retreat is the 9th and 10th of March next year. And I know you might think that's a long way away, but it isn't. My ladies who have already booked paid the £50 deposit, and then the end of August was their next £65 payment. One lady who comes over from Ireland, she's paid in full. And she said, tell them people come from overseas and how amazing it is. And I said, I will. I'll tell them everything. So it is at Jewellery's Inn in Hinckley. So it's just off the M69. It's really central. There is a swimming pool and there is a gym. There's a Marco Pierre restaurant that we have a 3-course dinner in. There's lunch both on the Saturday and the Sunday. It's the 9th and 10th of March. We make... This year we made 6 projects, and they were absolutely gorgeous. They were really lovely projects. I'll tell you more about that in a minute. The lunch is buffet style. We have a separate room. There's a room to work in, and then the room next door we have the lunch. So that's really nice to be able to get away. We have lots of breaks in the day. For cake and biscuits and drinks. You can go and help yourself anytime. There's water and squash available. Everything's really flexible, you know. Everything's really flexible, she says. Yeah, it is. I do have a time scale in my head, and I have it on paper, but if we run over or under, you know, we'll just work with it. So the entire weekend you do get breakfast on the Sunday as well, which is buffet, and you can eat as much as you want. It's amazing. It's just so nice. I stay over with you, so that's all good. The entire weekend is £245. So can you see? Yeah. Or if you're sharing a twin room, it's 220 each. And it says spend all weekend creating amazing projects. Bread, breakfast and evening meal, buffet lunch each day, and break time refreshments. Substantial goodie bag you will get. And dinner in the Marco Pierre restaurant. I had lovely reviews this last year. Absolutely brilliant. And for what some ladies are going on holiday, so they can't book. So that's the reason I've got a few spaces. Now, this flyer is A4, and that comes with me to retreats and events and whatever. Not retreats, events. And I put it in like a stand. There are smaller ones that are A5, and these I'll be giving out tomorrow and telling the ladies they really need to book. I've had one lady book last week, and she paid the £50 deposit, and she wants to do her instalment end of September, which is fine. You know, one lady last year paid, I think, £20 a month every month, or every 3 weeks. We worked it out, and she just did that. Whatever works for you, is fine. You know, whatever payment plan we can come up with together that gets you to pay that 245 or 220, let's do it. Because I really would love to share the weekend with you, crafting and laughing and making friends. It's just awesome. So one of the projects, because I can't find the others, I've had to tidy up and I put away, and I've given some away. This was one of the projects we did. They got a full pack of DSP, and this was a box, and they got all this, and they got all the goodies that went in it as well. So it was all these different little goodies that I picked up from somebody I know was selling all these. So that's some soap. It just smells so gorgeous. So this one was mine, obviously. So that was one of the projects. Another one was a stand that spelt love. Yeah, it was 4 different like picture frames, and we put them together, and it spelt love. That was really good. I seriously, I know it was March and it's now September, but I can't remember the others. They were good, they were lovely, the ladies loved them. One of them was like an album, and we did different pages so they can give that away to somebody. We did 6 really good projects, really good. And the ladies loved it, and they went away with lots and lots of things. I do an amazing raffle. You can buy raffle tickets, and I do that at 4 o'clock on the Sunday before you go home. What I did this year also was I got the hotel to give takeout cups, so you could take a tea or a coffee home with you in your car. So, and I bought some takeaway containers, and so you could take some biscuits and cakes home with you as well. That was nice. That was a nice little touch that we did, because some people obviously have to travel 2-3 more hours home, and they wanted a drink and a snack, so that was really nice. So raffle prizes, I think I had about 18 raffle prizes for the 18 people, and it was just, it's lovely. Some of it is Stampin' Up stuff, but there was like a bottle of brandy that somebody had given me, and nobody I know drinks brandy, so I put that in the raffle. The hotel gave me a bottle of Prosecco for the raffle, which they'll be doing again this year. It's just amazing. I just love it, and I'd love you to share it with me. So get in contact with me. You can do it via Messenger. I'm trying to show you my details. Oh, I'm so funny, aren't I? There you go. Can you see that? Carol Bradshaw. I'm on Facebook, obviously. I'm on YouTube, and you can comment and message me. I don't know if you can see that. I hope you can. I hope it isn't upside down, because all I can see is my face and then that upside down. So I'm hoping it's okay. So let's fill this event up. Let's get the instalments sorted so you don't have to pay it all in one go. And let's get something to look forward to for March. Let's make some memories. So take care. Have a great day, whatever you're doing. Bye.